Today we have Miss Aarti Moriani. She is the Senior Master Trainer and also the Faculty of English Communication at KK Modi University, though. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Arun.
So,
Thank you for the lovely introduction.
You're welcome, ma'am. You're welcome. So my first question to you is, being a faculty of the KK Modi University, what are your roles and responsibilities towards the students and the organization?
Okay, well, to begin with, let me state that I'm proud and privileged to be a part of KK Modi Group. Now, as a language and soft skills coach, mentor, trainer, I have been imparting training which is based on the curriculum guidelines. Now, being in the thick of this ongoing COVID era, the responsibilities include shaping them for the future to meet industry demands, honing their skill sets such as effective virtual communication and engagements, public speaking, and presentation skills. Emphasis is laid on agile methods of working and leadership skills, which are greatly valued today.
And my next question is, how do you try to bring in practical approach towards the subjects like the English communication you teach at KK Modi and make it industry oriented?
Okay, now learning how to learn is a maxim followed by KK Modi teachers and trainers. It is said that one has to jump into the water to learn swimming and be out on the road to learn driving. So all our sessions integrate theory with practice. The courses are aligned to meet the industry requirements, and it's not just a chalk and board case. Practical tasks promote experiential learning, familiarizes students with tools and equipment that he or she will be required to use. Now, these would include a range of activities like group discussions, extemporaneous speeches, role plays, quizzes, project assignments, and effective communication and presentation skills, just to name a few. We also help them to develop professional etiquette and inculcate the habit of innovation, an ongoing attempt to create ethical leaders of tomorrow.
Right, ma'am. Rightly said. So, my next question is, what is the importance of English verbal and written ability in today's world?
See, syntactic and lexical skills are essential in order to deliver and understand information quickly. Now, let me expand further. Good writing skills help one to be clear, accurate, and concise. They minimize vagueness and ambiguity. They eliminate inappropriate use of colloquial language and help build trust and integrity between the reader and the writer. Moreover, good writing skills can help one to gain instant credibility and reliability if the documents are well written. Now, talking about verbal skills, they help to define everything: ideas, emotions, experiences, thoughts, objects, and people. They also enable us to gain power to persuade or influence someone and break cultural and language differences, which are paramount traits in today's work scenario. So, yeah, I would feel these are the important aspects of verbal and skills.
Right, exactly. So, how do you tend to establish a healthy relation and environment in your institute?
We majorly focus on creating a positive environment for our students to maximize learning and reduce barriers. We give them creative space and make an effort to understand the learning styles. Students are encouraged to not to ignore the elephant in the room. In other words, problems and obstacles which they may encounter. They can always reach out to us and share their concerns, and we are always there to help them and understand their needs.
Right, ma'am. So, my last question to you is, you have over 25 years of teaching experience. What is the best advice you can give it to the upcoming young generations?
Well, the most important piece of advice which I would like to give them would be that even if they find their passions, during their pursuit of achieving their goals, they might experience failure. They should treat this as just an event, just a temporary event. They should continue to be curious, to keep on exploring, not to fear to tread on untrodden paths. Success is sure to follow. It won't be far behind. Well, at the moment, I can only think of this.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That was all from
Yes,
my side, and thank you so much for taking our time and coming on this Saturday evening, afternoon. So that's all.
thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a pleasure.
Yeah, it was a pleasure. Thank you, Arun.